welcome back to my
Hey, guys.
channel. I know it's been a while, but we're gonna bring it in with a little mukbang, and we're eating squid tentacles. It doesn't, I mean calamari, whatever you want to call it, but it's the tentacles. And I have a little bit of yum yum sauce, and then just some salmon pasta.
That's yours.
We're eating fancy today. Oh, you trying to eat this?
No.
You know what it is?
No.
Here, dip it and you eat it.
Oh, I want to. I'll try that one. I'll try. Look.
So, I guess to like break it in, we had an unfortunate loss. Unexpectedly,
Yep, we did.
our puppy passed away. Oh, that's milk for Eli. And I think it was due to maybe being crushed. I think my dog crushed it. But to be honest, the way it was acting, I think it's just one of those things that happen. It just had like an unexpected decline. It was fine the day before I woke up in the morning. And yeah. On the plus side, the other two puppies are doing great. They should be, they're up and available for adoption, looking for homes. So yeah. This is good. So how's pre-K been, Eli?
Think of what?
How's pre-K been? Did you just spit that out?
Good. It was good.
Huh. Scoot this for me.
So I can see?
Sit back a little bit.
Back a little bit.
Yeah, sit back a little bit. Oh. What's going on?
And mommy.
Squid tentacles are good. Calamari is good. I love calamari.
I love it.
Oh, you love this? With that seasoning?
The seasoning is gonna fall. Oh, it doesn't fall.
You like calamari? Eli?
I don't love those.
You just said you did.
I didn't eat it.
Here, I put sauce on it. Take a bite.
Oh, you know, I mean this.
It's good.
I love it. Good.
Okay, Eli.
So good.
So let's tell them what you've learned. What have you learned in pre-K?
Pre-K?
Yeah. Let's break it in.
Letters, numbers, shapes, kind of.
Letters, numbers, shape. Tell them that you learned about how to write your name, right?
I learned about my name so I know how to do it.
Okay, so how do you spell it?
E like this up here, and E like this. That's
Where else?
L.
L. What else?
I.
Good job.
So I know all my letters.
E-L-I. That's how you spell Eli, right?
Yeah. My hand is like a statue. I slapped it.
Let's not hit ourselves. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Pokemon.
Oh, you also learned about Pokemon?
No.
So,
No.
shh. Don't scream so loud. Who taught you about Pokemon?
No one.
No one. You're a liar.
No one teach me that. Just my brain teach me that.
Your brain taught you that?
Yeah. But who locked his door?
I had a brutal workout yesterday,
Who locked his door?
and I'm so sore. I'm literally like limping. The pregnant.
Who locked doors?
We locked it. Stop.
Why?
You know the pregnancy waddle that pregnant girls do? I have to waddle like that because my legs can't bend the right way and I can't bring them too close together. They hurt. So you know you gotta get workout in when they hurt. You work out, Eli?
I do workout.
Oh, what do you do? What kind of workout you do?
A lot of workouts. So kids, remember, I'll just the booty head.
You're not a booty head. Don't say that on camera. We don't talk like that in front of the audience. Hey, scoot in.
Seriously?
Scoot back. Scoot back. Good job.
See, it do this.
Okay. There you go. Good job. Now, do you want some more? Do you want some more? You like it with the sauce, huh? It's good, huh? Oops. And I made this myself. I breaded it myself and seasoned it myself because it came cooked, but it was frozen, so I had to thaw it out. And then I breaded it and seasoned it, and then I baked it. Boom, chakalaka.
Say chakalaka. I'll call you a chakalaka.
Okay.
And I'll squish you down. Right?
You want some pasta?
No?
Why? You want some salmon? You love salmon in your sushi. Try that.
I love sushi.
Okay, but this salmon is cooked fish. It's just so you eat raw fish but not cooked fish? Huh?
Not raw fish.
That's what sushi is. Sushi's raw fish. Are you just now realizing that? Are you just now realizing that? Did it just hit you? Here, this is cooked. It's not
No,
raw.
I love sushi.
Okay, are you gonna really show the kids that you're not gonna eat it? Wow.
I'm not gonna eat that. Sushi.
Baby, so that doesn't make any sense.
You just squish me.
Well,
You can hit me with that fork.
just a little bit.
Ah! No!
You just ate squid, but you're not gonna eat the salmon?
I eat squid.
Oh my goodness, you're so
love
full of yourself.
squid.
Here, close it.
I never eat squid.
Here,
I don't eat squid.
I'll put the
No!
sauce. Okay, now you're being silly. I put the sauce on it. Come on. Okay, so
Guys,
close this. Don't touch it again.
guys, you okay, guys?
Are you okay?
No.
Well, since I like this more, let's switch sides then. I'll eat this. Shoot. Oh. You gonna tell everybody how church was today? How was church? You didn't
Good.
tell me about primary. How was it?
Good.
Oh.
I love it. Oh, yeah.
You love it?
Mm-hmm.
You got to hang out with your friends today?
Yeah. I was done coloring.
Okay.
And then, do you want to think for a second? This food is rare.
You know what's even more exciting, Eli?
Yes?
Halloween's coming up.
Again.
Again, it happens every year. Isn't that crazy? Every year.
Again.
Every year we have Halloween. Okay. So what are you gonna be for Halloween?
Vampire.
A vampire?
I'm gonna scare you.
You already scare me.
You're already scared you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Vampires don't talk like that?
Some do.
Oh, different ones do that?
Oh, I know what kind of vampire you could be.
What?
Blade.
What?
Blade.
Blade vampire? But it doesn't have that costume.
Yo, oh, they do.
What do you do? What?
You know why you could be Blade? Because Blade is a vampire that slays vampires. Oh. Can you get up? Isn't that cool?
Huh?
It's like an anti-hero.
Huh? It's not cool. I love it. I don't love it.
Oh, okay. What kind of vampire do you want to be then?
I like being a tarantula.
Oh, you want to be a tarantula? That's not a vampire.
Huh? It's not a vampire?
No. A tarantula is a spider. Are you trying to say Dracula?
Huh?
Is that what you were trying to say, Dracula?
Dracula? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Is that a vampire?
Yeah, Dracula is a vampire, not tarantula.
I thought it was a tarantula vampire.
No.
Why does a tarantula only have to be a spider? Why?
Because that's the name of the spider.
Tarantula?
Yeah.
Tarantula spider. I think I'm gonna be a Shrek.
Shrek?
Yeah, a dino booty head.
Can you stop saying booty head? Are you done? You went to church today, mister. You better not be talking like that.
Bye.
Oh, okay. We're done. Okay, so why?
I like being
You like talking on the camera?
yeah. Hey. So what's your first name, guys?
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah? What is the noise?
I'm just kidding. I was waiting for you to say something. They didn't say anything because you can't hear them.
Guys, remember, if I'm gonna kill a hammer shark.
No, you're not.
Yes,
That's so mean.
It's gonna be dead forever.
Oh my gosh, Eli. I'm about to bleep this out. You cannot be talking like that. That's so mean. Say you're sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Say you're sorry to all the hammerhead sharks out there.
Sorry, hammerhead sharks.
Because what if they're watching this and now you just upset them?
Why?
Because that's mean. You don't say that.
Now we're gonna be angry to
What if they said that about you, Eli? I'm gonna hurt all the little boys out there. And you're like, oh my gosh, I'm Eli, I'm a little boy.
And I'm gonna make them, hey, I'll splash you with water.
They like that.
You do?
Yeah, they like that.
I'll use this orange to make these squeeze in their eyes.
Oh, that's mean.
That's not mean.
Yeah, it's torture.
Torture? What?
I got this last bite of pasta. Are you sure you don't want none?
I like drinking more milk.
It's a big bite. Oh.
Guys, I was drinking more milk.
Well, we got a little update on the puppy. Unfortunate, but the other two are great. They got so big. They have long hair now.
So what?
So that's that. And Eli, what else do you have to say? Because we're going. I already ate. You ate. We still have some left over. All right, my love.
I want to say thank you, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Thank
and
you.
Subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna eat an orange.
Not yet, baby.
Well, not yet.
We have to say it. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
And
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I hope you enjoyed this video.
Oh, yeah.